Let's learn home appliances and their uses. Television. Television. It shows movies, cartoons, and news. Air cooler. Air cooler. It keeps the room cool and comfortable. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. It keeps food, milk, and fruits fresh and cool. RO water purifier. RO water purifier. It cleans water and makes it safe to drink. Stand fan. Stand fan. It spreads air in a big room. Water heater. Water heater. It heats water for bathing or washing. Night lamp. Night lamp. It gives soft light at night. Microwave oven. Microwave oven. It heats or cooks food quickly. Iron box. Iron box. It removes wrinkles from clothes. Electric mixer. Electric mixer. It mixes juice, batter, or cream easily. Toaster. Toaster. It toasts bread to make it crisp. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. It cleans dust from the floor and carpets. Coffee maker. Coffee maker. It makes hot and tasty coffee. Record player. Record player. It plays music and songs. Table fan. Table fan. It gives cool air while sitting or working near a table. Radio. Radio. It is used to listen to music, news, and programs. Home theater. Home theater. It gives a cinema-like sound and movie experience at home. Sofa. Sofa. It is used for sitting and relaxing comfortably. Storage box. Storage box. It is used to keep and organize things safely.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more videos.